First thing you want to do is you want to open up your web browser and type in myvote.wi.gov, and it'll take you to this website, MyVote. MyVote is the official online registration database for the state of Wisconsin. And what you want to do is you want to go to the top right corner tab that says Vote Absentee. So go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to this web page. In order to be able to vote absentee, you need to be registered to vote first. So it's going to ask you to search your voter registration status. So type in your first name, last name, date of birth, and search. Now it's going to show that I'm registered and that my current address is this, and I'm all set to request my absentee ballot. If you reach this step and you are not registered to vote, you're going to want to go back up to the Register to Vote tab and get registered first before you request an absentee ballot. I'm going to go ahead and request the absentee ballot. It's going to ask me to confirm if this is my name and address, and this is the address that I would like to send the ballot to. Yes, I would like, this is my address, and this is my name, and this is the address that I want it sent to. If you want your ballot sent to a different address, you'd click this box. And if you were an active military voter, you would click this box. I am neither, so I'll leave those blank. Now it's going to want to ask what elections you would like to request your ballot for. So this first option, you can request all of your ballots for the rest of the calendar year of 2020. This one, you can choose specifically which elections you want your ballot sent. I'm going to go ahead and click this option and just request a ballot for the April 7th election coming up. This box here is for special cases where you certify that you are confined to your home due to age, illness, or anything else, and that you want your ballot sent to you for every election. Okay, this does not apply to me, so I'm not going to click it. But this last box here is very important. I am certifying that I'm a qualified elector. I am a U.S. citizen, and I am at least 18 years old at the time of this election. Click. Request ballot. Last step, you need a photo ID on file. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that. All you have to do is just take a picture of your photo ID, upload it to your phone or your tablet or your laptop, whatever it is that you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to add this file, the downloads, photo ID, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. Great. Now, once you've submitted this photo ID, you will see this sign that says, "Thank you for using my vote to request an absentee ballot." And it's confirming that your absentee request has been submitted and you'll receive a ballot for the election you selected. So once you receive this page, you are all done. And it's just a matter of waiting until your absentee ballot shows up in the mail. That's all. Happy voting, everybody.